Hello po, good day po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel, Best Investments by Mitch Sabache, and I am an accredited seller of DMCA Home. So today, ang di-discuss ko sa inyo is yung mga bank financing interest rates natin. Okay po? Hello po, so kamusta po kayo? So, ito for this vlog po, for this video, ang i-discuss ko sa inyo is yung mga bank financing interest rates natin. And also, yung mga contact person. Okay, so I know a lot of you are wondering, kasi before kasi kami yung nag-handle nito eh. Pero we've established a bank financing department. Okay, so sila na yung nag-cater. Okay, pa doon sa mga clients namin na for those sila yung nag-endorse, okay, para sa mga loanable amounts nila, para sa mga balance nila. So ito, papadaliin ko na po yung ninyo. Yung kumbaga tutulungan ko po kayo. So ito I will post po yung mga contact persons na lang accordingly, okay, dun sa mga bank representatives nila para pwede nyo silang makontak directly or kung may inquiry kayo, 'di ba? Para dun sa mga bank loans po ninyo. Okay, so let's start with Asia United Bank. Okay, so ito po, ang rates nito will change without prior notice po. Okay, so ito lang yung provide sa amin na informations na ito yung mga interest rates nila. Okay, so for Asia United Bank, okay, so meron kang fixed for 1 year or fixed for 2 years at around 5.5 to 6.88. Okay, so nandiyan yung contact number ng bank person natin. So tatlo sila, pwede nyo sa makontak dyan pagka may inquiry kayo dito sa bank na to. Okay, and then yung next bank natin is yung Bank of Commerce. Okay, so ito nasa 5.25 for 1 year. Okay, 6% for 3 years and 6.50 for 5 years. Okay, and then ang collateral natin ang up to 90% of the total contract price. Okay, next natin kay BDO. Ito medyo maraming pwede nyo makontak dito. Okay, so fixed for 5 years at around 6.88. Okay, and subject for approval po ito yung matching for the following succeeding year. Okay, and next one is yung for BPI natin. Okay, nandiyan yung contact numbers nila, dalawa sila. Okay, dito fixed meron ang kagandahan dito kay BPI. I think right now meron silang 777 promo. Okay, or hanggang end of the month yata yan. Pero ito, nandiyan yung contact numbers nila para mas makontak nyo sila. And dito, meron silang fixed for 6 to 10 years. Okay, at 8%. Next is China Bank. Okay, kay China Bank, ayan, meron tatlo. Pwede sila makontak tatlo. And then, maximum fixed for 9 years. 15 years pala, rather. 9%, 15 years. Okay, and the next one is for China Bank Savings. Okay, so ito hanggang mid-rise development po ito. Okay, so nandiyan yung contact number sila. Meron silang fixed for 25 years. So napakahaba, di ba? Next natin is for East West Bank. Okay, si Sir Jomar, ayan, for 10 years, fixed for 10 years at 8.50. Okay, so ito si Sir Jomar, madaling kausap po ito. And next natin is si HSBC natin. Okay, so ito tatlo yung bank officers natin dito na pwede nyo makontak. So meron silang fixed for 5 years at 6.75. Okay, Maybank. Okay, so ito four representatives na pwede nyo makontak. So fixed for 5 years at 6.88. Okay, so medyo maraming accredited banks. Halos lahat ng banks po are accredited with DMCA Home. So next natin si Metro Bank. Okay, so nandyan yung contact numbers natin. Okay, at for 5 years at 5.88. Ito medyo mababa po sa Metro Bank. Okay, si RCBC. So ito kay RCBC meron siyang fixed for 20 years at 10.5. Okay, so again, nandyan yung dalawang bank officers natin. Pwede nyo sila makontak doon. Then Philippine Business Bank. Okay, fixed for 10 years at 10%. Okay, so yeah, yung contact numbers nila, dalawa sila. For PNB, So meron fixed for 16 to 20 years. So diba 9.75. So halos pare-parehas lang din sila ng mga interest rates natin pagka yung mga longer po. So ito si Ma'am Maria, pwede niyo sa kontakin sa PNB. And then PS Bank. For PS Bank, meron 16 to 20 years at 9.75. So ito si Miss Leia. Si Miss Leia ang nag-accommodate sa amin dito kay PS Bank. Okay. And then sa Robinsons Bank, so nandyan yung contact numbers natin. Security Bank, okay, so meron tayong dalawa. So at max 15 years fixed, about 9%. Okay, so UCPB, si Miss Mary Chris, okay. Yan, so pwede niyo siya ma-contact dyan. And then Union Bank, klase kay Union Bank, okay. So hanggang 6 to 10 years, okay. So again, interest rate po, nagbabago po ito without prior notice. So much better po if you contact those designated point person, bank officers natin para mas updated yung mga interest rates natin. Okay? So yan. So again, that's for this video po. And if you want to know more dun sa mga existing projects natin, sa mga pre-selling projects natin na gusto po ninyong makita, so nandiyan yung numbers ko po. You may contact me anytime through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Okay? And then pwede rin tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing or online presentation via Zoom para sa mga clients na based abroad. Okay? So, thank you very much for watching po. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para every time na nag-upload ako ng bagong video kay YouTube, ay ma-notify kayo. So, thank you for watching po. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.